Hello and welcome to ICC Exam Squad. Today I am up with another video on specimen question paper of economics. So let's come to our first question. The demand for goods which can be put to several uses is known as dash. Option 1 competitive, option 2 autonomous, option 3 composite or option number 4 indirect. The correct answer will be option number 3 composite demand. Let's move to our second question. The productive capacity of a worker is called as dash. Option A efficiency of labor, option number 2 mobility of labor, option 3 supply of labor or option number 4 inefficiency of labor. The correct answer will be option number 1 efficiency of labor. Moving on to our next question. Which of the following are considered as factors of production? Option 1 land, option 2 labor, option 3 capital or option number 4 all of them. Yes, these all are factors of production. So correct answer will be option number 4 all of them. Moving on to our next question. When production of goods is divided into several processes, it is known as dash. Number 1 product based, process based, number 3 territorial based or number 4 simple based. The correct answer will be process based division of labor. Moving on to our next question. Question number 5. Efficiency of labor is low in India due to dash. Option 1 congenial environment at workplace, option 2 high wages, option 3 migratory nature of laborers or option number 4 none of the above. The correct answer will be option 3 migratory nature of laborers. Moving on to our next question. The demand for labor is dash. Option 1 direct, option 2 derived, option 3 free or option 4 elastic. The correct answer will be derived. Let's come to our next question. Question number 7. If the price of factors of production increases, then the supply will dash. Decrease, option 2 increase, option 3 0 or option number 4 none of the above. The correct answer will be decrease. When the price of factors of production increases, its supply decreases. Moving on to our next question. In economics, demand and price have dash relationship. Option 1 0, option 2 positive, option 3 direct or option number 4 inverse. The correct answer will be inverse or negative you can say. Moving on to next question. Capital earns dash as factor of production. Option number 1 wage, option 2 rent, option 3 profit or option number 4 interest. The correct answer will be interest. Moving on to our next question. There are more possibilities of invention under the dash of labor. Option 1 supply, option 2 division, option 3 mobility or option number 4 none of the above. The correct answer will be option 2 division. Let's come to our next question. Car and petrol are examples of dash demand. Option 1 complementary, option 2 competitive, option 3 substitute, or option number 4 composite. The correct answer will be complementary. अगर कार परचेस करते हैं तो हमें पेट्रोल भी चाहिए होगा, अगर पेट्रोल है तो पेट्रोल की जरूरत हमें कार में लगेगी. तो दिस बोथ आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड्स. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Dash possesses general expectability. Option 1 check, option 2 money, option 3 bank draft, or option number 4 bond. The correct answer will be money. Let's move to our 13th question. Under monopoly market, a firm or seller has dash. Option 1 partial control over price, option 2 full control over price, option number 3 no control over price, or option number 4 none of these. The correct answer will be full control over price. Moving on to next question. Homogeneous products are sold under dash. Option 1 oligopoly market, option 2 monopoly market, option number 3 perfect competition market, or option number 4 monopolistic competition market. The correct answer will be option number 3 perfect competition market. Moving on to our next question. These are 5 stages of evolution of money. 5 stages of evolution of money. Which are the following? Order is correct. Option 1 bank, paper, metallic, commodity or animal. Option 2 paper, metallic, bank, commodity and animal. Option 3 animal, commodity, metallic, paper and bank. Option number 4 animal, commodity, metallic, bank and paper. The correct answer will be option number 3 animal, commodity, metallic, paper, bank. Moving on to our next question. Simultaneous fulfillments of mutual wants by buyers and sellers are dash. Option 1 common measure of value. Option 2 double coincidence of wants. Option 3 divisibility of goods. Option 4 standard of deferred payment. The correct answer will be double coincidence of wants. Moving on to our next question. There are a large number of buyers and sellers under this market. Option 1 monopoly market. Option 2 perfect market. Option 3 oligopoly market, or option number 4 all of the above. The correct answer will be perfect market. Moving on to our next question. Cotton and cotton seeds are examples of dash supply. Option 1 jointly produced goods. Option 2 inferior goods. Option 3 composite goods. Option 4 inferior goods. The correct answer will be option 1 jointly produced goods. Moving on to our next question. Dash earns income in the form of profit as a factor of production. Very easy question. Options are number 1 land, option 2 labor, option 3 capital, or option number 4 entrepreneur. The correct answer will be option 4 entrepreneur. Moving on to our next question. Capital as a factor of production is dash in nature. Option 1 durable, option 2 perishable, option 3 immobile, or option number 4 limited. The correct answer will be durable. Moving on to our next question. Electricity is an example of dash demand. Option 1 complementary demand, option 2 joint demand, option number 3 composite demand, or option number 4 inferior demand. The correct answer to this question will be composite demand. Moving on to our next question. Dash payments are referred to those payments which are to be done in future. Okay. Option 1 deferred payments, option 2 stable payments, option 3 derived payments, or option number 4 indirect payments. The correct answer will be deferred payments. Moving on to our next question. Oligopoly is a market situation in which there are only dash sellers in the industry. Option 1 few, option 2 large, option 3 futuristic, option number 4 maximum. The correct answer will be few sellers. Moving on to our next question. Land is a dash factor of production. Very easy. Option 1 mobile, option 2 immobile, option number 3 temporary, or option number 4 active. The correct answer will be immobile. Land is immobile. Moving on to next question. Which of these following is not a characteristics of land? Number 1, land is a direct demand. Number 2, land varies in fertility. Option 3, land is limited in supply. Or option 4, land has many uses. The correct answer will be land is a direct demand. This is not a characteristics of land. Moving on to next question. Under dash system, it is difficult to store value. Option 1 money exchange, option 2 price exchange, option 3 store exchange, or option 4 barter exchange. The correct answer will be barter exchange. Moving on to next question. Tea and coffee are examples of dash. Number 1 derived goods, option 2 substitute goods, option 3 inferior goods, or option number 4 all of the above. The correct answer will be substitute goods. टी नहीं मिला तो कॉफी भी पी सकते हैं. टी का दाम बढ़ता है, प्राइस बढ़ता है, तो कॉफी का डिमांड बढ़ जाता है और टी का डिमांड कम हो जाता है. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If the cost of production is less than the supply will be. If the cost of production is less, then the supply will be what? Option 1 decrease, option 1 increase, option 3 be constant, or option 4 be negative. The correct answer will be increase. अगर कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बढ़ता है तो अगर कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन घटता है, डिक्रीज होता है, तो सप्लाई इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लैक ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डैश सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. ऑप्शन 1 ट्रेड, ऑप्शन 2 बार्टर, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 मनी, और ऑप्शन नंबर 4 कैपिटल. The correct answer will be barter system of exchange. Moving on to next question. Laborers have dash bargaining power. Option 1 more, option 2 less, option 3 unlimited, or option number 4 limited. The correct answer will be less bargaining power. Moving on to next question. Indian farmer is an example of dash type of labor. Number 1 process based, option 2 monopoly based, number 3 product based, or option 4 complex based. The correct answer will be complex based. Moving on to our next question. When income increases, the demand for dash types of good will increase. जब हमारा इनकम बढ़ जा रहा है तो किस टाइप्स के गुड्स के लिए हमारा डिमांड भी बढ़ जाता है? चलिए देखते हैं। ऑप्शन 1 इंफीरियर गुड्स, ऑप्शन 2 गिवन गुड्स, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 नॉर्मल गुड्स और ऑप्शन नंबर 4 कोर्स गुड्स। तो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नॉर्मल गुड्स। नॉर्मल गुड्स के लिए अगर हमारा इनकम बढ़ जाता है तो हम नॉर्मल गुड्स के लिए अपना डिमांड भी इंक्रीज कर देंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। The producers prefer to supply more when the prices are dash. Option 1 low, option 2 high, option 3 negative or option 4 positive. Correct answer will be high. अगर हमारा प्राइस बढ़ता है तो सप्लाई भी बढ़ जाएगा। The producers prefer to supply more when the prices are high. Okay, moving on to next question. Labor is dash factor of production. Number 1 passive, number 2 active, number 3 limited or number 4 direct. The correct answer will be active. Labor is an active factor of production. Let's come to our next question. Land is fixed in two senses. Number 1 supply and mobility, number 2 demand and immobility, number 3 man-made and perishable, or option number 4 all of the above. The correct answer will be number 1 supply and mobility. Moving on to our next question. Detergent powder and detergent cake are examples of dash. Number 1 substitute, number 2 complementary goods, number 3 jointly demanded goods, or option number 4 inferior goods. The correct answer will be substitute goods. Moving on to our fourth question. When the government gives tax dash, then the supply goods will increase. Options are number 1 imposition, option 2 restriction, option 3 concession, or option number 4 perfection. The correct answer will be concession. अगर टैक्स में हमें कंसेशन मिलता है तो हमारा सप्लाई इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिमांड फॉर गुड्स विल इंक्रीज ड्यूरिंग डैश पीरियड. ऑप्शन 1 इन्फ्लेशन और बूम, ऑप्शन 2 डिफ्लेशन, ऑप्शन 3 डिप्रेशन और ऑप्शन नंबर 4 स्टैग्नेशन. The correct answer will be deflation. Moving on to our next question. Second last question. The dash of labor is related to division of labor. Option 1 supply, option 2 demand, option 3 specialization, or option number 4 universalization. The correct answer will be specialization. Let's come to our last question. A shirt costing rupees 300 is dash function of money. Number 1 measure of value, number 2 store of value, number 3 transfer of value, or number 4 cognizable value. The correct answer will be measure of value. Okay, we are done with our specimen paper for economics. Thank you guys. Keep watching. Like, share and subscribe.